On this episode,
she needs to sort out her priorities.
one of the interesting dynamics about being a business owner is that there are genuinely loads of hats for you to wear. And the earlier you are in your growth cycle, the smaller your business, the more that's going to be the case because you don't have the right management team around you to help share the load. The businesses that make the most progress are those businesses where the leader takes the time to prioritize. I know that it is going to feel like everything that comes your way is of equal priority, that everything is a good idea, that everything must be done. That is genuinely not the case. You have a finite amount of time and energy, and how you choose to use that time and energy really does matter. It allows you to make progress on one or two key things, and it also allows you to pass that on to your team members. So if you work in a structured, well-organized, thoughtful way and you focus on priorities, that means that your team members are likely to do the same. The businesses out there that jump around from thing to thing, the next bright idea, the squeaky wheel that's getting the attention, those businesses that spread themselves really, really thin, get caught up in the cycle of having the same old problems time and time again. One of the critical skills that you need as a leader is the ability to be able to differentiate between what is a priority right now and what is a nice to have. And as soon as you start to understand what is a priority now and you start to allocate resources, time and energy to those critical problems, is the day that you will start to make much faster and better progress. Take the time to step back from your business every now and then. Have proper reflection moments in your week and in your day to reassess what the priorities really are, and most importantly, what they are not. Focus on the right things, make sure that you turn that into a discipline and pass it on to your teams, and you will genuinely make more progress than you are right now. It's not easy, but it is absolutely necessary if you want to get to the next level of growth in your business. See you next time on Mind Your Own Business.